Hello, I'm Razvan Ionele, CEO of iTeam, and I'm going to present you an IoT implementation in a factory in Pakistan. So what we have here, we have a line of t-shirts, okay? This line is organized with about 26 operators, but the line has more machines, about 32 workstations. Why more? Because we are going to have some empty workstations to have a jumper, a joker, which is moving from machine to machine, the empty ones, and balance the line. Because we mentioned balancing the line, over there you see a screen. That's a screen we call airport, where all the data collected from IoT are going to be listed there against the target. So we can see very, very clearly from far away the reds. And the reds in the airport means operations which are not hitting the target. This is where the jumper, the joker, will go and increase that output. Now, let's walk with me and see how this works. First of all, we are getting the signal directly from the machine. This is an IoT. And IoT comes from Internet of Things, which means the machines are giving the signal to our system, and we are counting the quantity directly without the operator intervention. As you see, every single operator, please come closer, every single operator has a tablet. And on this tablet, we have all the important elements which the operator must see. We have quantity, we have the working time, we have the off-standard time, we have overall efficiency. And a particularity of this system is that overall efficiency gives the color of the tablet. So you will see here in this line that we have 4 colors. We have red, which is low efficient operator. We have yellow, which is an average performance. We have green, like this person here, which is a very good efficiency. And we have blue, which is over the standard efficiency. We would like everyone to be green and blue. So let's walk, and here we have a yellow person, which is an average efficiency. It's 60 to 80%. Then we have another one yellow. Then we have a green, and so on. So our IoT works on any kind of machines. Can be single needle, overlock, feet of the arm, cover stitch, any brand, any age, any type of machine. And also we are working on workstation which has manual operations. As you see here, we have also operator which are in blue. These persons are over the 100% efficiency. So we would give bonus for this kind of people, because at the end of the day, we know their colors of the tablet, and this can calculate, the software can calculate a particular salary for that operator. You know what is interesting here is that this line, when we start the project about 4 weeks ago, we had 20 people with red tablets. 20. These people here. And now we have only 4, which means all the other 16, they were making progress. They get their methods of working better, and now they are even yellow, green, or blue. This is a big help for increasing efficiency in a sewing line. Now I'm going to show you also other facilities which the IoT has. And the first facility, please come closer. The first facility is the possibility of sharing, please come closer, the possibility of sharing data directly on the tablet. So if I'm accessing here, I'm able to share technical files directly on the tablet. Of course, the data transfer depends on the speed of the internet. Unfortunately, it does not load, but the file is there. And also we are able to share videos which supposed to open on this tablet. I hope we will try another one and that will open. So videos and technical files are very important element of training of workers. And we have availability on these instruments, and this is very good for helping workers to become better. That's the reason why So we are going to try again to show the facilities on the tablet related with training. So first of all, we have here available technical files which are loaded, please come closer, which are loaded directly on the tablet. That means we are able to share data to the operators. What kind of data can be? Can be data like sewing stitch density, speed of the machine, type of needle we are using, type of thread we are using, any kind of data which makes worker more aware about what he has to do, method of working, anything like that. And here you can load as much as files you want, that's not a problem. And the most important is the video. And this video opens automatically on the tablet, showing the right method to him. So when he sees the video, he improves his method and he gets better efficiency. A much better color on the tablet, but overall the training is digital. This is a very important element of our IoT. Now, another element which is related with quality assurance. You can see here there are two different colors here, yellow, two boxes with yellow, because we have a digital way of measuring the process controller working line defects, as well as a digital way of measuring the quality controllers and sewing defects at the end of the line. Let me show you now. Shakila, do you have your tablet, please? Yes. Can you bring it? Yes. So she is the process controller. Her job is to check 3 times a day everyone in the line, all the workers, and register the defects which she found. And if she found someone with defects, those defects will be directly shown on the tablet. So Shakila, please show us how you check her, for example. Please come over. So she is going to scan a QR code which exists here. That QR code she is going to scan. Go back a little bit, Shakila. Okay. Once that she scanned that QR code, the data about that bundle are loaded automatically on the tablet. And she is going to pick 7 pieces, because she has to check 7 pieces, and she is going to check those 7 and find out defects. And the tablet will show this session, and she is going to indicate here how many defects she found. Okay. We are going to wait for her to finish. The operation is attaching tape to the neck. You see, this work of process controller is all digital, and we are able to monitor everything and all the activity of all the workers. But what is more important is the feedback to the workers, which is given in real time, because when we indicate something on the tablet, they will see immediately on their screen. So everything is real time. You found one defect. So please come here. And yes. So she had one defect on the tablet. Okay. And thank you. And that will be automatically shown on the tablet of the operator. So this is how it works. Thank you very much, Akila. Now let me walk through further. There are different kind of machines here, as you see. Single needles, overlock. We have cover stitch. We also have manual activities like stickers. We have ironing. These ironers are also connected. And here we are reaching to the quality control stage. So everyone, including quality control, measurement, as well as packers, they are all integrated with our IoT. And the result of data collection is shown here on this screen. And on this screen is very important for line supervisor. It's an unbelievable tool, amazing tool, in which they can manage their line, having a data collection in real time. This software tells you where you have a problem. So let me show you how it works. Number one, we are going to indicate, yes, we have to, every 4 hours the TV is entering in standby, so we need to just make a short action with the remote control. Thank you, Amina. Thank you very much. Well done. Now, you see, there is a black line which goes from left to right. That's our target quantity. That target quantity is calculated in real time, which means every minute the target quantity grows. In this moment, our target quantity is 757. That's the target quantity. How it's calculated? Based on number of people, number of working hours, target efficiency, and SAM of this style. So in our case, we have 24 people as a target. We have 80% efficiency, 8 hours of work, which means 480 minutes, and the SAM is shown here. It's based on the SAM of this t-shirt, which is 8.73. So the target in this moment, it's calculated in real time, which means in this moment we are working 345 minutes with 24 people at 80% efficiency for a style of 8.73 minutes, which means the target in this moment is 759 pieces, which are shown here. Now, each bar which we have there are the sewing operations which are executed there in the line. Those sewing operations can be executed by one operator, two operator, or three operator. Does not matter. Data collection combine all this information and show in this way. And there is a very easy color code which are very easy to manage and to understand by the line supervisor. Target the black line. You have all the bars which are lower than 5% against the target. You get them green, you get them red, sorry. The operations which are in the target, they are always green, everything is okay. And the operations which are over the target, they are becoming blue. So basically the line supervisors will follow the red operations. They know from this screen which operation is red, and they concentrate on those operations. So it's a very effective way of managing a sewing line visually, and we are able to see as a management from the office traveling. You can see your lines even if you go and visit your customers and try to get more orders for them. This situation here, this line, they started at 50% efficiency about 4 weeks ago, and now, today, they are at 77. We hope they will increase a little bit more, and their target is 80. So, this is how it works. PMS IoT combined with quality assurance, combined with industrial engineering, all together, it's what we call smart factory digital package. So thank you very much for this, and hope you will enjoy working with this company. And the last thing I would like to show you is the way that we do the quality registrations. So now here you will see, please come over closer, how our person will do a measurement of a garment. So please use your digital device and come from that side. She's using can you give me please this? Okay, this is a digital device which is linked with Bluetooth with our tablets. Whatever she measures, all this information comes directly in the tablet. And please, Yasin, come closer. The tablet shows automatically the dimension that the client gives for this particular garment. And the registration is done via Bluetooth from the device, and the software validates the correct measurements or the wrong measurements. So there is no error, there is no place for mistakes, everything is real time, and data collection is digital collected across all the lines which exist in that factory. So there are a lot of reports and cross reports which you can use if you are in the quality assurance department. Also, another important feature which the software has is the ability of registering spot cleaning, sewing defects, measurement defects, and any kind of fabric defects, any kind of other defects you have. For example, if you have, thank you very much. If you have garments with fabric defect holes, you can register digitally, you get reports, and you can get a much better understanding about what is going on with the process from the quality point of view. Thank you very much.